So good morning guys, we have here LS 460 2010 model. So the issue is this one. Sometimes the key is not working, sometimes it's working. If you notice that one guys, it blink, the light is work, but it will not transmit the signal from the anti-theft. So look at that. And also the door unlock and lock, sometimes it's not working also. So this time it's work. You see that one. And another issue is the light, the headlight. Sometimes headlight is not working also. If you turn on the light, the indicator of this headlight is not coming out. Push. Start. Okay. And you see that one is now working. But sometimes the customer encountered this issue. Most of the time he drove his car, and the issue is it will continue malfunctioning. Look at that guys. It's working on now, but this key is not working at all. So we try to change the parts. What is the parts that we have to change? So this is the control of wiper. This is the control of wiper. So there is electronic inside the board. So this is the main cause. And another, you have to change this one, the clock spring, or what we call spiral cable. So once again guys, there is no problem in terms of changing this one or replacing these parts. No need to remove the negative of the battery or turn on ignition, turn off ignition. No need, as long as you know how to fix it with turning on the ignition. So there is no issue with that, because sometimes I read the comment of the one of our follower, because he said on his comment, I am taking the risk of what I'm doing here in he said, be professional. What do you mean by be professional? I know my job. I know how to replace or removing parts with ignition on. Don't be up like you are a professional technician, because one of the reasons why I'm turning on the ignition, because you freely move this position, this wheel. If you want to move like this, the tilt and telescopic, because you are working here, you must to turn this one or turn the right. So that's why you need to on the ignition or start the engine. Okay, you understand? Okay, so like this. So we start guys, we start to replace the parts.